Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman. Delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Monday evening, June 9th, 2025, and we have a great mix of finance headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
B2i Digital highlights the National Investment Banking Association's NIBA 151st Investment Conference. B2i Digital is set to highlight the National Investment Banking Association's 151st Investment Conference as a marketing partner. The event, scheduled for September 16 to 17, 2025, will feature public and private micro-cap and small-cap companies, along with company presentations and networking sessions. NIBA Executive Director Emily Fauci emphasizes the conference's role in connecting companies with capital markets professionals. B2i Digital CEO David Shapiro looks forward to leveraging their large online community to promote the event. To learn more or request an invitation, visit B2i Digital's website. Founded in 1982, NIBA has a long history of supporting the microcap and small-cap investment community, hosting over 150 conferences and raising over $100 billion in capital. For more information about NIBA, visit their website. Spartan Capital Securities and B2i Digital announced the Spartan Capital Investor Conference 2025 in New York City. Spartan Capital Securities, LLC and B2i Digital Inc. are set to host the Spartan Capital Investor Conference 2025 on November 3rd at the Marriott Marquis in Times Square. The event will bring together 50 public and private companies with investors for networking and insights. The conference will feature company presentations, one-on-one meetings, and discussions. John D. Lowry, CEO of Spartan Capital Securities, aims to facilitate meaningful connections. B2i Digital, in partnership, supports investor discovery with over 1.3 million investors. David Shapiro, CEO of B2i Digital, emphasizes the focus on real value and execution. Pre-registration is open at b2idigital.com. Limited attendance is subject to approval.
Currency news breaks. MoneyShow announces 2025 Masters Symposium in Las Vegas, focused on the Great Money Reset. MoneyShow has announced the 2025 MoneyShow Masters Symposium in Las Vegas, focusing on the Great Money Reset, how to allocate your portfolio assets now. The event, taking place at Caesars Palace in July, will provide strategic guidance for investors, traders, and financial advisors in navigating a volatile landscape. Attendees will have the opportunity to engage with experts across various investment sectors through keynotes, panels, workshops, and networking. IBN will be the official media sponsor, amplifying event visibility. MoneyShow has a history of educating investors and traders through expert-led sessions, offering a unique interactive format. For more information, visit MoneyShow's website. Currency Newswire, a digital hub covering financial markets, is part of the dynamic brand portfolio at IBN, providing access to various wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions. CNW covers topics such as traditional and digital currencies, blockchain technologies, global economic trends, regulatory changes, and investment strategies. For more information, visit the Currency Newswire website.
Leaders in the news: Ciata Mobile, Fubo, Lottery.com, Unusual Machines. Wall Street Reporter highlights the latest comments from industry thought leaders shaping our world today. Ciata Mobile CEO discusses AI-powered gaming and productivity apps at the early stage of explosive growth. Lottery.com CEO talks about leading the digital transformation of the $340 billion global lotto market. Unusual Machines CEO announces a new drone motor production facility in Orlando. Fubo TV CEO discusses the multi-year partnership with DAZN, enhancing sports entertainment lineup and offering customers greater flexibility. Stay tuned for more insights from these innovative companies shaping the future.
Network news breaks. Newton Golf Company Inc. NASDAQ NWT CEO Greg Campbell to appear at IBN TableTalk Roadshow. Newton Golf Company CEO Greg Campbell is set to appear at the IBN TableTalk Roadshow, connecting with investors to raise visibility for the company. Formerly Saks Parente, Newton Golf is gaining traction with its innovative shaft technologies used by over 30 pro golfers and strong Q1 financial performance. The company's mission is to provide golfers with scientifically advanced equipment that maximizes consistency and accuracy. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Network Newswire is a financial news platform that offers content distribution for companies and the investment community, providing access to a wide network of wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.